Getting some breaking news as well from the Fed. Let's go to Steve Liesman. He's got that for us. Steve.
David, thanks very much. Fed officials making some of their first comments since the meeting on Wednesday. Minneapolis Fed President Neel Kashkari, in an essay, said he advocated during the Wednesday meeting and Tuesday meeting for a 50 basis point rate cut. He said, in addition to that, the Fed should commit to not raising interest rates until inflation is at the 2% target on a sustained basis. He's concerned that inflation expectations have fallen further recently, and he's saying aggressive policy is required to, quote, re-anchor expectations. 1 to 2 rate cuts won't do it. He says you need to re-anchor inflation expectations, really reteach the market a new reaction function for the Fed's 2% target. Lone dissenter St. Louis Fed President Jim Bullard explaining his dissent in a statement this morning, saying he wanted a 1/4 point cut this week as, quote, insurance. Here's from his statement. U.S. economic growth expected to slow through the remainder of the year. Moreover, uncertainties about this outlook have recently increased. I believe that lowering the target range for the federal funds rate at this time would provide insurance against further declines in expected inflation and a slowing economy subject to elevated downside risk. So, guys, that's Bullard is a voter now. Kashkari will have a vote next year. And I got Evans, who's also very dovish among the presidents who are voting, and Esther George, who's probably more on the hawkish side, Eric Rosengren also on the neutral side. So, Carl, there's a pretty vocal, dovish, I call it minority out there that wanted to cut Wednesday. It looks like they might get their way come July.
All right, Steve. Fascinating stuff. Steve Liesman back at HQ.